Today I share a new Wan2.2. This kind of video motion migration. Upload a video action you want to refer to. First upload a picture. Generate this action. Exactly the same video. Image size can be. Customize it yourself based on Wan2.2 video generation model. It works perfectly. You see, the tasks behind will be activated. Everyone knows. Because the acceleration model I use here is the largest. So the best effect is 256 LoRa. I will introduce it in detail. Instructions for using this workflow. First, let me introduce. I'm currently using the online mirror app to an cloud. If you don't want local deployment, just want to use it online, you can click on My Mirror. Update to the latest version. This is the image I'm using now. Its workflow is Wan2.2. It contains Vincent's diagram or Vincent pictures or image video. It combines all the functions. Then there's this. Accelerated image generated. There is also a video of the first and last frame. First and last frame division. Original and accelerated versions. This effect is the best. For example, I only need to upload these two pictures. First and last frames. Then finally it is generated. It's perfect. The connection is perfect. And all the characters behind. They all move very naturally. This is the power of Wan2.2. Not only the subject moves perfectly. Background characters behind will move. There are reviews online. It will move normally even with more than a dozen people. So, Wan2.2 is perfect. Okay, let me introduce this. My mirror image. My image contains many workflows. Let us update for all major workflows. You put them outside. For example, the workflow for modifying commonly used Chinese fonts. Context. Contextual image modification model. They are digital people. Monotalk. Wan2.1. Digital human generation is the best. 2.2 currently. The lip movement so this still uses 1.1. Then there's the flux query. Generate some high realistic images. And this AI feeling. A workflow for enhancing character skin details. There are also some thousands of questions. This workflow was just released. It can generate Chinese text posters and the like. Then there's this hype here. The magnification tool. Also the latest, and is watch pictures. Wan2.2. There are also image categories, video and voice. There are more image categories. There are probably hundreds of them. Basically, what is relating? Remove watermarks, magnify details, hundreds, etc. Video. These are all old. If you are using it now, you can use 1.2, but you can also use the ones here for normal use. That's it. The voice class is to extract the human voice, or word voice cloning. There are also generated music or cultural speech, voice changing, etc. commonly used. Then the advantage of mirroring. You shape my image. You can use the in-brain cloud. Clicking on my mirror is equivalent to create a copy of your own personal image. It's exactly the same as my mirror image. You just copied it. It's like already having all my deployed workflows. You import one ComfyUI mirror. Then you can install it yourself or add new nodes, etc. It's an original ComfyUI. Online mirroring has this advantage. This way you can get it done in one stop. Free control. more suitable for professional users. This way you can be calm. Based on my current deployment, add what you need. And my workflow, a video tutorial for each workflow. So, it's easier to use or learn. Sometimes I forget how to use it. Just watch my video tutorial. Then if you want, if you deploy locally, you can click on my notes. Click on ComfyUI tutorial. It will jump to the location of the workflow. It corresponds one-to-one with the mirror image. I put this workflow in the video category. The second one is the picture video. Vincent video first and last frame video. Agent migration Wan2.2. Then download the settings and click on. There's my workflow in it. All models used. And node installation. Also download. Placement location, etc. I'll put it in detail here. There are also tips on words. Then the workflow screenshot. Use simple instructions. Finally, there's a video tutorial. There is also a workflow download. This is suitable for local deployment. Use. I still recommend using the Brain Cloud. One click to own your own. Online ComfyUI. Okay, back to this one. This one, very clear. Just divide it into the whole piece on top, the whole piece below. The layout is very neat. The above is the official original one. Wan2.2 A workflow for generating video from images. Then the model I use here is a model developed by this crazy JK. 2 panels. I divide it like this. Everyone is like this. The order of the layout is the same. All from left to right. From top to bottom. Like this. So you can go from top to bottom, then from top to bottom. This continues. The order is very fair. Then the bottom is also from left to right and from top to bottom. Very fair. So you want to look at some parameters in detail. You can follow my structure. Just search for it. And not just this one. All you need to do is learn to use a workflow. You can understand the rest because of the way I arrange. The alignment is the same. Then this workflow mainly uses this acceleration model. This lightning bar-step acceleration model. The highest version of 256 is used. So, it will move more people if the version is too low. For example, the 32 version, the characters behind it may not move, so this effect is the best. Then this is for reference. People's actions. So this is the one using fun. Workflow. The same high noise and low noise. Then if you operate, this workflow uses very simple. Here is the prompt word. I have annotations for the prompt word. Here is the subject plus scene plus movement plus camera movement. Your prompt word structure. Just write it like this. If you want to keep it simple, just one sentence will do. So you can control its camera movement, effects and motion effects. Then here, the most important thing is this deployment. Deployment usually takes 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, so basically perfect. Don't worry about the rest. The bottom is to upload a video action. Add a picture, the picture you want to animate. Upload it. This is the video. This image is cropped. Generally, its height setting is 832. One size that fits this model. Then you can cut more. It can be longer. Control here. Then here is the preview effect. Preview of cropping. This one is set to 5 seconds. Then each frame. frames per second at 24 frames it will look abnormal and very slow. So here you can use 30 frames by default. Then how many seconds do you start This from? Is cutting. Reference video. For example, I don't want to refer to the previous I'm starting action. From the 5th second. I can't see the original video here. Play. For example, I am in the 8th second just for reference. Start. That's it. Use this to trim the video from the 5th second. Then, what seconds cut? Refer to the following from 5 seconds to 10 seconds video. Use this control. The last one is the size setting. The size setting is definitely higher, the better the effect. But I think, generally, 1280 is enough, so it's meaningless to be too high. Nothing else. Then you can generate a perfect one. The picture is out. Here is the original version. Tell the HD. So you download this 1920 high definition version is fine. Right click on this. Save it to local. Okay, that's all for this issue. Let's go play.